Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2014 Kawasaki Versys 650. This bike has 66,000 miles and is offered for only $34.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great commuter bike, a great sport touring bike, just super dependable, great ride from Kawasaki. We did an oil change, safety check, put new tires on it, new chain, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. There's a couple little minor scratches on the tank and on one of the front fairings from where the previous owner had a tank bag. But other than that, she's a beauty and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.